Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This guide explains how to unsubscribe from Audible cleanly and quickly. I cover differences between monthly plans and annual credit plans so you know what to expect. If you have unused credits, your options change depending on plan type. I explain where credits appear and whether Audible refunds them after cancellation. I describe required sign-in credentials and alternate login methods if you used Amazon or Apple. By the end, you will know the exact web steps, phone options, and app limitations for cancellation. Start by signing in at Audible.com with the account that receives credits. Go to your profile and open account details to view membership information. Select Cancel Membership from the Membership section and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Audible may offer to pause membership or provide retention credits during the process. Confirm cancellation only when you are ready to stop monthly billing immediately. After cancellation, you keep titles you bought, but you may lose unused credits and other promotional balances. You can call Audible customer service for help with refunds or account problems. Use the phone number listed on Audible's Contact Us page after signing in. Remember, the Audible mobile app cannot cancel memberships directly in most cases. For iTunes, build accounts cancel through Apple subscriptions in device settings instead. If you bought an annual plan, Audible support will evaluate refunds based on use and time remaining. Save confirmation emails and check your bank statement to verify that billing stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.